There's news that I didn't tell YouTube yet.
Oh, yeah, you should tell YouTube that news.
So Zoe, are they taking a nap?
Yes, and they'll take the pillow and they'll take the dolly.
So what's the pillow?
The money.
The money's the pillow. What's the blanket?
With this.
The dollar bill. Oh yeah, he was missing some blanket. I think he's cold.
Let's get him a blanket. Maybe this can be.
Oh, here's another blanket. Doesn't he get a money blanket?
Yeah. Let me try. Yeah.
So who said you can play with my change?
Cuz.
Who says so?
Grandma says that.
Grandma says so.
But look, oh, she's putting more cheese on than before.
Good job.
I want to eat the cheese.
Well,
I
no.
put more on
We
there
gotta
first.
put more cheese on the pizza.
$4.25. That's a typical pizza setting.
No, that's enough.
No, that's not enough.
We need a lot more cheese.
Some more.
Here, how about this? Good job. Gonna put a little bit more on because we're cheese enthusiasts. Here,
We
hold
live
this.
in Wisconsin. We have to be a cheese enthusiast.
Do you want anything else on your pizza?
What do you want on your pizza?
Cheese.
Oh, we're gonna just put it right here while you decide what you want on your pizza. Do you want olives on your pizza? Or on your fingers?
Zoe, what kind of pizza do you like?
Salad.
Salad pizza?
What kind of cheese do you like?
Salad cheese.
Salad cheese pizza? Or salad cheese?
So Zoe, you want an olive?
No.
Do you want them on your pizza?
Yes.
Some olive slicing material.
I'm doing it ladylike. I'm
Oh,
crossing
yes.
my legs as I...
You are doing it ladylike. Look at those leg crossing.
I know. This
Now.
is the only way to cut olives. No, I actually don't like plain olives. Like, it's okay if it's on a pizza.
Your slices are not consistent.
Do you... look like I care.
Yes. You look like you care.
But I really, like, here, you want me to cut them in half?
No, it's fine. I'm just teasing you.
You wanna? Okay.
Make sure you get mommy.
Can you say hello, okay, Mama?
Okay, hello. Weirdest thing. 2 weeks ago, it was freezing, it was snowing, and now I had to turn on my air conditioner on in my car because it's really hot and muggy in here. Does that make sense? No. No, it does not. But you know what? That's Wisconsin for you. This is what Wisconsin is.
Well, you don't gotta eat anything. You can just watch us eat.
No.
I'll eat your food.
No.
Yes. Whoa.
No.
I'll eat all your chips. All gone.
No.
Please.
You.
You said you didn't want them.
I don't have power.
Hmm?
I don't have power though.
That's okay.
I want powers for Elsa.
You want Elsa powers?
Oh,
And 2 dogs.
that's close. Maybe start moving a
Can I eat you, Zoe?
No. I want to walk. I want my
Those are huge cups.
Did you get a straw?
I don't think I can have a straw. I don't know when I can have a straw. That yummy.
Wait, what is this?
What are you eating? What is this?
Pickle, Emma. Just.
What is this? What is this?
I don't know. I'm just gonna do this.
Yeah. You're having grilled cheese, right? I'm having this. Ooh, yummy pickle. I'm having this yummy Reuben sandwich. It looks so good. Probably won't eat this whole thing. And then a pickle.
I want a picture of
Some
you.
chips. You wanna? Well, your hands are kind of messy. So when I edited the last vlog, I realized I didn't really go into my wisdom teeth being pulled. I didn't, and this is part of the reason why the vlogs were put up late. I had medicine, pain medication, but I was a lot of pain. I didn't feel like doing anything. I was tired. The medication made me tired. And my face was just really swollen. Like, even now, I have this slight pressure in my ear. And that's like supposed to be a sign of what's it called? A dry socket. So I was like freaking out, and I called them and be like, oh, it's as long as it's not like severely hurting like my ear, it should be fine. Like if it's not waking me up in the middle of the night, only because if it is, then it could be something more, but it's normal to have your ear semi-hurt when you get your teeth pulled out because your nerves was there and all that good stuff. So, yeah, so I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna watch my big fat Greek wedding.
Mom, I saw you in the check.
What?
Yeah.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
To the grandma.
To Grandma's?
Yeah.
While Mommy goes to work?
Yeah.
Gonna put your stuff in your bag?
I could.
What about your bunny and your whale?
Okay.
If anybody needs a good movie to watch, or show to watch, I would recommend Castle. I've watched 2 episodes. I'm on the 3rd episode. It's a really good movie or show. So, I got it at the library. I'm probably gonna go to bed.
Alright.
Maybe watch some Castle.
Yeah, watch Castle.
I watched a bunch while I was getting ready for work.
Don't you love it?
It's good.
Who's your favorite character?
Who do you think is my favorite character?
I think you... Okay, no, I'm thinking of me. Hold on. I don't picture Castle being your favorite character.
Okay.
I think, girl-wise, I think you would like, what's her name? Beckett.
Okay.
But I think you might like Ryan and Espinoza. Maybe the grandma.
Honestly, I like the grandma. I like Castle. And I like the daughter. I like that whole family.
Yeah, their family's great.
Beckett is okay.
Okay.
So I guess as a female character, it would be the grandma. As a male character, it would be Castle.
Man, I should have gone with that instinct. I was going to say grandma first, and then I was like, no, that's me. I love the grandma.
There's news that I didn't tell YouTube yet.
Oh, yeah, you should tell YouTube that news. Subscribe. Click the bell icon so you can get that
If you want to
video.
know the exciting news, subscribe and hit the bell because I'm just...
Yeah.
It's probably going to be my update video. So yeah, I was going to make an update video, but then this happened, and now I'm like glad I didn't make that update video right away, because then yeah.
Yeah. Well, then you should wait until, so that you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll probably wait.
I hope
for
that
that.
camera was facing you. Because
It was.
Okay, good.
I really like my eyeshadow today. If you guys want a tutorial on this, let me know. I'll make a video on it. Comment down below if you want a tutorial. It's really easy. And it was from a really cheap palette too, the BH Cosmetics palette. But honestly, you could use like any palette of this color. You don't have to use that palette, but that's what I used on my eyes today. And I'm also wearing the Clinique foundation, Beyond Perfecting foundation. And I'm gonna make a video too where I make makeup products that I don't like and how do I make them to work so that I do like them. Does that make any sense? She's not listening to me.
No, because I thought you were talking to your viewers and they're reading this book.
Making a video, like an example, this Clinique foundation.
Oh, how you properly use it?
How I didn't like it the many first multiple times I used it. And now how I mean, it looks really good now that I see myself.
Yeah. Well, that's how I feel like YouTuber, like beauty vlogger people. They like buy all this makeup and they're like one chance that it doesn't work and they're like toss it. But which is
not
like
all of them,
not
but
all of them, but
many of them.
A good portion of them.
Like that Almay jelly stuff. Honestly, I mean, I haven't, and I'm gonna use it up in some way. I haven't tried it on my eyes yet. Maybe it works well on my eyes. Mm-hmm. I know it's fine when you put it like with no makeup days.
I kind of want to see how it would work if you did add some oil to it. If it would like change the consistency.
I don't know.
I'm gonna take a little bit of mine out and then mix it in. It's not jojoba oil. This is a mixture of jojoba oil, vitamin E, and like a previous nail oil that has jojoba oil and some almond oil in it. So it's kind of a Frankenstein oil, but it's primarily jojoba oil. Okay, there you go. I mean, actually, that
looks shinier.
Yeah. My concoction?
It does?
I mean, you kind of have to squeeze it between your fingers.
Okay, there's that.
Okay, wait. You gotta shine it.
Yeah.
The lighting's really not the best. It looks kind of...
Well,
you can kind of see some sparkles.
Either way, I think the way it looks won't change. It's the application.
See, that's a lot thicker.
And
you put a lot.
I know, I did.
And it's a little hard. That is a little harder to like blend in. So
maybe I got it to blend, but it was more swiping. So maybe add some oil to it. Anyways, alright. I'm gonna call it a night. I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. Don't forget to subscribe right here. Click right over here. Click that button.
Or down below.
Or down below, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos like this one, or beauty videos, or any video that you would like to see. Comment down below, and we'll see you all next time.
Daddy, pirate, Daddy, where are you? Here I am.
That delicious, Zoe? No answer. Is that delicious, Zach?
Yeah.
Zoe, do you like cheese? I'm taking a video. You're gonna be on YouTube now.
That's cool. That's the weirdest video.
Pie. Wow, she doesn't have any pants.
Still,
Lucy.
they can fly over